Hey audio enthusiasts! Today, we're unboxing the H40, a 4-inch 2-way coaxial full-range speaker system, a top-notch choice for upgrading your car audio. Let's dig into what it offers. First of all, these speakers come as a pair. They feature a responsive polypropylene cone and a UV-treated foam surround, which work together to deliver clear and crisp sound. There's also a dynamically balanced 1/2-inch PI tweeter for those high-frequency details, and an integrated crossover with tweeter protection to keep things in check. Now let's talk power. The power rating is 50 WRMS with a max of 150 W. The nominal impedance is 4 ohms, a common and compatible value for car setups. So whether you're just cruising and listening casually or want to crank up the volume for a more immersive experience, it can handle it. In terms of the build, there are neodymium tweeter magnets and a strontium ferrite woofer magnet, enhancing the audio performance. The powder-coated, rigid stamped steel basket ensures durability. For the size specs, the mounting depth is 46 millimeters. This dimension makes it a suitable fit for many car audio setups. If you're looking to upgrade your car's audio, the H40 is well worth considering. It combines quality build features and solid specs to take your listening experience up a notch. Stay tuned for more unboxings and audio tips. See you!